Reading is not an easy or natural task for the brain. Many characteristics are involved when it comes to how the brain learns to read. First, learning spoken language greatly influences how quickly and successfully the brain learns to read. Learning spoken language begins with learning phonemes, or sounds. Second, the angular gyrus is an area on the left side of the brain used to decode word signals into basic sounds. This is part of the neural system involved in reading. The sounds decoded in the angular gyrus are transformed into syllables and eventually words. Next, to read successfully, three neural systems are required to work together: the visual processing system, the auditory processing system, and the frontal lobe. The visual processing system first sees a printed word and then decodes it for phonemes. Being able to decode phonemes comes from being aware and knowledgeable of phonics. Phonics are how letters and groups of letters sound. Once the basic sounds are decoded, the auditory processing system sounds out the phonemes in the head. These systems work together and will repeat this process in order to successfully read. Lastly, from learning spoken language to reading successfully, the learner has to go through three phases. These phases are the pictorial stage, phonological stage, and the orthographic stage. The pictorial stage is when a reader sees words and becomes comfortable with the shape of the letters in the alphabet. The phonological stage is when the brain begins to decode sounds of letters. The orthographic stage is reached when a reader can recognize words quickly and accurately. The reading program I selected is called Read 180. Scholastic Read 180 is an intensive daily program that combines research-based practices with the use of technology. The purpose of this program is to improve the reading skills of students who are reading 2 or more years below grade level. The program consists of 90-minute daily sessions that include whole class instruction, small group rotations, and whole class wrap-up. Read 180 was developed by a cognitive and technology group from Vanderbilt University in 1985. The program was first published by Scholastic in 1998. Each class session starts with a whole group instruction, followed by rotations of small groups through 3 activities. The activities include teacher-directed instruction, independent work on the Read 180 computer software program, and modeled and independent reading. This program focuses heavily on reading books daily. I have very little familiarity with this program. I know about this program because my sister was a part of it in middle school. She told me that they read books on a regular basis and they practiced pronouncing words. I have not taught any lessons in this program or any other reading programs.